How we doing today, guys? Welcome back to Rustic Rimfire 22. Alright guys, we're back out here at 21-yard line. Got a White Claw there, Hard Seltzer. We're going to go ahead and blow that up for the Hard Seltzer challenge. Alright, we got the 502 loaded up. Let's see what we can do here. Alright guys, back out on the range here. We're set up a little bit shorter. We're at 21 feet, 7 yards. We're going to be doing the Hillbilly Hard Seltzer challenge with the pistols. Let's turn this so I can see it too. Got 12 shots, 12 hard seltzer cans you got to hit. One shot per can. Each line has different points on it. You got 2 points per can on the first line, 4 points for the second line, 5 points per can for the third line, 6 points for the second or the last line, excuse me, for the last two. Then you got a bonus over here for 7 points. Over here you got your name, firearm, ammo, max score, your score. So I got RR22 on there. It's Rustic Rimfire 22, but everybody's kind of designated me as RR22, right? I think No Pro started that, so shout out to him. We'll be shooting the FN502T. It was some SK pistol match. Let me show you that. It is unloaded, chamber's empty, no mag. So that's what we'll be shooting. It's got the Sealy CT2 green dot on it. Aero Precision suppressor. This is the Teffer 22. You guys have been seeing this on my my rifle. Took it off. Figured we'd try it on the pistol. See if we can't hush this thing down a little bit. But that's what it is. It's a 502. But anyway, then we'll be shooting some SK pistol match. Just regular lot, any lot. At this range, it really doesn't matter what rounds you're using. But got a couple 3 mags loaded up with some SK in it. Like I said, we are at 21 feet here. I got it marked out on the ground. Got a couple targets hung up there. I got a second camera getting ready to go over there in just a second. Let me show you guys my 21 feet here. Got it all marked out with a ruler. 7 yards, 21 feet on the dot. Back this out a little bit here. We're right at the board, so all fair, you know. Want everybody to see what's going on. Got a target there. RR22, 502T, SK pistol match. And like I said, this is I told you guys about it in my other video or another video, but this is my new backer I just built back here. I don't want nothing getting away or, you know, no zingers going out where they're not supposed to be. So there's a whole bunch of sand and hardwood behind it. Like I said, this is about 5 feet deep, roughly. Then there's wood piled around the backside, down through the center, and then this makes a big C shape in there. You can see there's plenty of sand up top, sand underneath. Goes all the way across here, and then, yep, full of sand. Don't want no, don't need nothing getting away. All right, so you should be able to see the target there from there. But like I said, I'm gonna have another camera right here. I'm gonna get that set up and get that recording, so got you can actually see the target. But other than that, we'll be at, like I said, 21 feet with the 502. Let me get this other camera on target, and we'll get to shooting. All right, guys. Sorry about that. I had some technical difficulties with the camera, so I had to move some stuff around and get it to focus a little bit better. But all right, so let's go ahead and get a few sighters on the. I got you on the left target there for the Hard Seltzer challenge. We're gonna take a few sighters on that on the Hillbilly Up sign there, and we'll go from there. Make sure we're right at 21 feet, 7 yards. One there. Number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I might have to plug. I don't know. 10. 11. Yep. I don't remember how many I had in the mag. Looks like I might have missed number 4 there. Pulled it a little to the right. Hit 5. Hit the number of 5. Anyway, all right. Let's see if we can get on that bonus there. Looks like we might have got it. I'm gonna load this thing. All right, guys, got this back over here. Got it scored up. Looks like the only one we missed was number 4 there. I pulled it and it went over by the 5, so we didn't take no score there. But we did get all 3 of those for 6 points. Got 2, 5, and 6 for 8. 7, 8, 9. We did break the line there for 15 on that one. Then we got both of those. Then we did get the bonus. So, well, it's definitely inside the circle there. So we got 48 on that. And that's again with the 502, FN502 with the Sealy green dot CT2. We're shooting the SK pistol match. So, but anyway, appreciate you, Hillbilly, for getting these targets out to everybody. But anyway, all right, guys, I think that's about all I got for you. Tomorrow's 4th of July. Get out there, have some fun, enjoy some fireworks, be safe, have a good weekend, enjoy your holiday, and we'll catch you guys next time. Appreciate y'all stopping through.